Good evening, friends. If you're over 60 and find yourself feeling tired all day but unable to sleep soundly at night, you're not alone. Maybe you fall asleep easily but wake up at 2 or 3 in the morning, or perhaps your body is exhausted, but your mind won't stop spinning the moment your head hits the pillow. Sleep changes with age, and not always for the better. As we get older, our bodies produce less melatonin, the natural hormone that signals it's time for rest. Our internal clock, or circadian rhythm, becomes less sharp. We may also become more sensitive to light, noise, pain, medications, or even stress. But here's the hopeful part. You can improve your sleep. The key isn't in a pill. It's in the hour or two before bed. Tonight, let's gently walk through a soothing, senior-friendly bedtime routine. Each step is backed by science and designed to calm your mind, relax your body, and help you sleep deeper and longer, night after night. Step 1. Dim the lights 90 minutes before bed. Light is powerful, especially in the evening. Bright lights tell your brain it's still daytime. That delays melatonin and keeps your body in alert mode. Try this. About 90 minutes before bed, dim the overhead lights. Use soft lamps or night lights instead. If possible, switch to warm-colored bulbs, amber or red tones. If you watch TV or use your phone, reduce brightness or use a blue light filter. Some TVs and smartphones now have built-in night modes. This one simple shift helps your body prepare for sleep naturally. Step 2. Turn off screens 60 minutes before bed. Screens stimulate the brain, especially scrolling or watching intense news, shows, or videos. And they also emit blue light that blocks melatonin. Instead of screens, consider gentle evening activities like listening to soft music, reading a paper book with a dim lamp, working on a puzzle, knitting, drawing, or journaling. Tip: if you love watching something before bed, try audiobooks or calming nature soundscapes instead. Step 3. Sip a calming herbal tea. Certain herbal teas have been used for centuries to promote rest. Good choices for sleep include chamomile lemon balm, passion flower valerian root, milder doses. Try this. About 45 to 60 minutes before bed, boil water. Steep your tea for 5 to 10 minutes. Sip slowly while doing something calming. Note: check with your doctor if you're on medications, especially blood thinners, before trying new herbs. Step 4. Take a warm shower or foot soak. Warm water relaxes tense muscles and gently raises your body temperature. As your body cools afterward, it naturally prepares for sleep. Try a warm shower for 5 to 10 minutes, or soak your feet in a basin with warm water and Epsom salt. Optional: add a few drops of lavender essential oil for an added soothing effect. This is especially helpful if you suffer from restless legs or arthritis discomfort at night. Step 5. Stretch or do. Gentle movement stretching improves blood flow, relaxes tight joints, and calms the nervous system. Gentle bedtime movements might include neck rolls, shoulder circles, seated forward bend, ankle rolls in bed, legs up the wall pose, if you're able. Bonus: try a short chair yoga video made for seniors. There are many free ones online. Step 6. Journal or practice gratitude. Mental clutter is one of the biggest sleep disruptors. Take 5 to 10 minutes before bed to write down any worries, plans, or thoughts. Or list 3 things you're grateful for from the day. Example: I'm thankful for the sunshine today, a phone call from my granddaughter, and my favorite soup. Writing helps clear your mind, and gratitude lowers stress and boosts serotonin. Step 7. Do a deep breathing or relaxation technique. One of the fastest ways to calm your nervous system is through the breath. Try this simple 4-7-8 breathing pattern. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale through your mouth slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat for 4 to 6 rounds. If counting is hard, just breathe in deeply and exhale slowly and fully. The point is to slow down. Optional: use a guided meditation app or audio designed for seniors. Step 8. Set a consistent bedtime. Your body loves rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends, helps reset your sleep-wake cycle. Choose a bedtime that works for your lifestyle. Then protect that time as part of your daily routine. Tip: don't wait until you're completely exhausted. Aim to wind down before your energy crashes. Step 9. Create a cozy, sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Here's how to make it cozy. Keep the room cool. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask. Add soft bedding, supportive pillows, and calming colors. Consider white noise machines or soft sleep music. Try a lavender pillow spray or diffuser. If you're often cold at night, use layers or heated blankets with safety settings. Step 10. Avoid these common nighttime disruptors. To protect your routine, here are a few things to avoid in the 1 to 2 hours before bed. Caffeine, even hidden sources like chocolate or decaf coffee. Heavy meals or spicy food that cause indigestion. Alcohol, which may make you drowsy but fragments deep sleep. Stressful conversations or upsetting news. Instead, protect your wind-down time as sacred. Let others know this is your quiet time. Optional add-on: a sleep journal. If you want to track what works, keep a simple log. What time you went to bed, what you did before sleep, how many times you woke up, how rested you felt in the morning. This can help you spot patterns and notice improvements. Real-life example. Linda's night transformation. Linda, age 68 from Oregon, used to fall asleep fine but wake up at 2:30 a.m. every night. She started dimming her lights after dinner, sipping chamomile tea, and journaling before bed. Within 10 days, she was sleeping deeper, waking only once a night, and feeling more rested by sunrise. Consistency is key. Recap: your gentle night routine for deep sleep. After 60, here's a quick review of the ideal bedtime habits. Dim lights 90 minutes before bed. Turn off screens 60 minutes before bed. Sip herbal tea. Take a warm shower or foot soak. Stretch or move gently. Journal or reflect on gratitude. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Go to bed at a consistent time. Make your bedroom cozy and dark. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, heavy food, and stress. Even if you pick just 2 or 3 of these to start, you're moving in the right direction. Conclusion: sleep can get better with care and routine. If you're over 60 and your sleep has changed, it's not your fault. It's simply part of how the body ages, but that doesn't mean deep healing rest is out of reach. Far from it. With a little care, a calm environment, and gentle consistency, your body can relearn how to rest. And when you sleep better, you wake up with more energy, clearer thoughts, and a brighter mood. Tonight, try just one step. Maybe the tea, or the breathing, or turning the lights down early. Then try it again tomorrow, and the next day. Before long, your nights may become the most peaceful part of your day. Thank you for spending part of your evening with us. If this video was helpful, please give it a gentle thumbs up and consider subscribing for more calming wellness videos for life after 60. And let us know in the comments, what part of your night routine brings you peace? Sleep well, rest deeply, and we'll see you next time.